Hey guys, I am Colleen and I'm a person. I like to read and I like to write, but I do whatever on this channel. I've read a couple of excellent romance books recently, and I promise to tell you about them on the next video. But today, I just want to show you, in no detailed and definitely a more concise way, how I made this Regency Era inspired Empire floor-length dress. Of course, I was inspired by the Netflix show Bridgerton, based on the romance book series by Julia Quinn. I am most certainly not the first person to do this, but I just really wanted to do it, so I did it. I followed this pattern I found on Pinterest. It's by the Jane Austen Center, I want to say. After plotting and cutting out the pattern off camera, I laid them out. For the bodice and the center front section of the skirt, I did 3 layers of fabric. The topmost is lace, the middle section is satin, and the lining is just white cotton. I pinned those parts down, cut it out, and ended up with these pieces. Focusing on the bodice, I stitched the top 2 layers first, then the lining. After that, I attached the lace and satin layers to the lining with the stitching facing inward. I only sewed the whole top section, leaving the bottom and the sides of the bodice open for now. That's for the zipper and for sewing the skirt and the bodice together later on. Off camera, I struggled doing the sleeves. I wanted to leave it a bit chaotic, only following the shape of the embroidery on the lace and cutting off most of the lace's mesh. For the skirt, I cut out more satin for the sides and the back of the dress. Then I stitched the entire skirt, then hemmed the ends. Off camera, I cut the back of the dress down the middle, partially, just enough to make way for the zipper. After that's done, I attached the bodice and the skirt. Last part, I put a zipper at the back of the dress that's not on camera because it was excruciating. I also made some accessories for this outfit, simple ones to go with the Bridgerton aesthetic. The gloves I found online. Here's how it turned out. I hope this inspired you to recklessly try something you have absolutely no idea how to execute. I also hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!